We're going to calculate the stock price for TripAdvisor. The first step is we need the market cap, which is 2.6 billion. And then we need the stock price, 1928. That was a bad year for stock markets. So 2.6 billion market cap divided by 1928 share price gets you 135 million shares outstanding. Next, we need to calculate the future free cash flow. And the best way to calculate the stock price for a company is to estimate future free cash flow and then discount those amounts back to today's dollars. And that's what we're doing in the video today. Next is net income, which can be found on the income statement. Everything is conveniently located in Yahoo Finance. So I don't need to go to the 10K to get the info, but I could. That is another source. Last is revenue. It's pretty steady, hasn't really been increasing. Now we need to look at the capital structure of TripAdvisor and figure out the discount rate we need to apply to future cash flows. So only 7 million of interest payments. They must not have much debt. No current debt, no long-term debt. So it doesn't look like they have any debt. What makes it easier. And that's the kind of company you want to invest in with no debt. The beta is 1.28. That's the volatility of the stock. And the market cap and the CAPM, capital asset pricing model, is how we calculate the cost of equity. And the cost of equity is 12.15%, and that's going to be our WACC. That's going to be the rate we're going to discount the cash flows by. So we calculated the free cash flow for 4 years. So year 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we did a terminal value, which is all years beyond year 4. Then we discounted those numbers back to today. And the value of the company is $3.1 billion. And when we divide that by 135 million shares, we get a stock price of $23. And it's trading at $19. So we consider this a buy. It's trading at a 16% discount. Not a huge discount, but it is a discount nevertheless. And you can see it was trading much higher than $23 a few months ago. It's come back down because I'm sure TripAdvisor has not been getting much business with the global pandemic going on. Most people are not traveling. But I'm sure that's going to change once all the shutdowns get lifted and people forget about coronavirus. So, thanks for watching. If you have any ideas on other stocks you want me to do, I'll be happy to do them. And have a good day.